Hey, what's poppin', gamer guys and gals? Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make monkey noises. Now, there's two varieties of this monkey noise that I'm going to be teaching. First is the low one. That one's going to be the easiest. That's a ooh, 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 ooh. And then the slightly more complex one, the higher pitched one that's more in depth is that right? So we're going to start with the first monkey noise. So to do this one, it's the ooh, ooh, right? So you're going to kind of just get your voice right in that tone, like ooh, ooh, or like ooh, 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 right? So it's just right around that tone. I'm sure you can figure it out. So it's like ooh, 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 right? And so you breathe out like you're like blowing on a whistle, not a whistle. You're just like exhaling slowly while you make that tone. Ooh, right? And then you breathe back in. Ooh, right? But now do it with a bit more force. Ooh, 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 right? And then back in with a bit more force. Ooh, right? So it's ooh, 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 and then you just kind of get into it, right? Get into character, like right? Kind of expand around here, around your throat, right? And you go right? You want a bit of aggression behind it. You're a gorilla, right, man? Okay. So that's a but you're probably wondering, like, how do you get up there? How do you be like right? So so for that one, you want to get the higher pitch, right? So think about the pitch you're going for. So it's right? Oh my god. What am I doing? Okay. So it's right? Just however high you can go, right? Like if you can go like right? If you want to like get the really in there, but that's like right? That's like the weird one. We don't want that for now. So okay. So get your tone like that. Right? And you're going to you can't actually do this tone steadily. Usually it's too high for this tone to go steady. So you're going to try to just kind of like scrunch up your throat. I don't know how to explain it, right? It's like do this kind of like it's like hard to explain, right? But it's like and then like okay, it's like imagine something's like in your throat and you're trying to get out. It's like and now right? It's like it's stuck in your throat, right? No, you're not trying to vomit. So it's like right? So just like you're coughing like right? And then like kind of trying to get something out of your throat. It's right around here, right? You'll know, you'll feel it, right? So it's like and then you just kind of combine the tone together with the feel, right? So it's like and then for this one, you kind of want to just throw them together, right? So get slightly varied tones there, and that's how you get kind of the monkey noise. Because monkeys aren't like, right? They're like, right? Like back up and down, right? So it's like, right? And that's like an angry like chimpanzee kind of sound, right? Like he's gonna come, he's gonna rip your fucking dick off, okay? And then if you want to like really get angry, it's like right? And that's the full range. So you go from like bomb gorilla, like right? That's like basically your full range there. So I don't know, I didn't really practice it. It just I kind of like thought of it and I did it. You can probably do this on your own too. Anyways, yeah, if this video taught you anything, leave a like and subscribe. Don't subscribe to this channel, please. Thank you.